No, I'm not worried when I think about the future. I think there are many challenges we have ahead, but I think we can act on them right now. There are 17 Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations, and GF Piping Systems is speaking directly to 6 of them. Whether it is sustainable production, whether it's climate action, whether it's clean water and sanitation, GF Piping Systems is at the heart of it. Legionnaire's disease may be a very old and well-known disease, but it's still, unfortunately, it's still there. Only in the US, estimations that there are 60 to 70,000 infections per year. What we have developed is a system which is called HyClean, which basically makes sure that water is always circulating and never drops below certain temperatures. That makes sure that there will be no Legionella infestation within the pipes, and that makes it very clean and safe. The Clean Water Foundation is a very important part of GF and of our culture. It is a means to support poorer countries and poorer communities in giving them access to clean water. All around the world, there's about 14.5 billion US dollars loss in drinking water every year. That's due to leakage and to other reasons. Us coming with solutions for leak detections with modern pipes help a lot to drive that non-revenue water share down. We are supporting Sabesp, that is the local utility for the Sao Paulo area, to modernize the water infrastructure in Sao Paulo. With what we do, that helps Sabesp and the city of Sao Paulo to save about 75 billion liters of water every year. Just as a comparison, that is equal to 8% of the total water consumption of Switzerland. If you have a typical 3-story office building and you do the cooling of that office building with traditional copper pipes, you will emit around 17.5 tons of CO2 on a yearly basis. If you use our plastic cool fit systems instead, you can bring that down to 5 tons of CO2 emission per year. We're all using the cloud in many ways. What we very often forget is how much energy is used for data centers, which basically run these clouds. Today, the global energy consumption of data centers stands for roughly 3% of all electricity generated on our planet. 40% of this energy is used for cooling. This cooling energy can be reduced by 1/3 when using our products. The circular economy is something which is extremely important, especially in a world we're living today and especially also in the world of plastics. So we are trying to make sure that the materials used today and even more in the future are not only easy to produce but also easy to recycle. What the current discussions is actually also very, very helpful because it puts it so much into the spotlight that there is much more focus on acting now, and I think that's important. It is quite natural for us if you think about it, because what we do is so much about offering sustainable solutions for transporting water in a clean and in a safe way. So it is, you cannot separate sustainability from our business. Our business is sustainability in a way.